What I'd like to do in this video is show you how to create a task list where the students work through the task list and then they're assessed to check their understanding of the previous tasks. When the students pass to a certain level, they're able to progress to the rest of the task list. So how do I do that? The first thing to do is to make sure that you have all your resources ready, including the quiz that you're going to insert in the middle of your task list. Then you go to Tasks and you create a new task list. Add the title and assign the task list to your class as normal. And click to create your task list. And now I add my task items. I'm just going to make a very quick task list to show you how to do this. I'll add my first item, and for this I'm going to attach a PDF file that I have ready and add the task. So that's my first task item, so the students will read this document, they'll learn about the spelling rules, and then they're going to do the test. So I'll add my quiz file. Give it a title as before, and then add the quiz file. When you've added the quiz file, you'll see that this progress box appears. The system recognises that this is a quiz and allows you to set a pass rate. I set the progress to 50%, scroll to the bottom and save the task. And you can see now that it says 50% to progress. So a student must pass this quiz with a 50% pass mark if they're to go to the rest of the task list. So let's add the final item to the task list. So that's my task list completed. Let's log in as a student and see what they see. So I'm logged in as one of the students from that group and I can see I have my task list ready to do. I click to go in and you can see that I have my first two items, but it tells me at the bottom I must achieve 50% in the quiz to progress to the next task. So I go in, I look at the first item and read that. I then go to the spelling test, I complete the quiz, I already know what the answers are, and I finish and submit. And you can see that the last item in the task list has now been opened up for me and I can go ahead and do that. So that's how to set a task list that has an assessment that controls the progress on the task list.